How to turn off Facebook ad campaign. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you a quick and easy way to turn off Facebook ad campaign. So the first thing you will basically have to do is click on your web browser and go to Facebook Ad Manager. Go ahead and search for Facebook Ad Manager and hit enter. Click on the first link that you see over here. Once you do that, click on go to Ads Manager. Make sure that you are logged into your account, and then you'll find your account overview over here. Now, what you basically have to do is find your ad campaigns. I currently don't have any active campaigns, but if you just head over to campaigns, you can see this turn on and off button. So you'll find your campaign over here. You basically have to click on it, and then you'll find the edit button. If you click on the drop down, you'll have an option to turn it off. So let me just show you guys. So it's basically going to look something like this. You'll have your different campaigns over here, and then from there you can select any one of the campaign. For example, this one, you can just click on this checkbox over here to select it. And once you select that, you should be able to find this drop down on the edit. Click on it, and then you'll have this option to turn it off. Click on turn off, and your campaign will now turn off. Additionally, you can also use this toggle button to turn on and off your campaign. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you in the next one.